So it was one of the starting point which we refer to, that we need to have NPS for our organization, which is a measurable and which needs to be taken care of, because it's one thing which actually help you in understanding that your brand is actually how much is preferred by the customers. So it's a kind of showing you mirror that yes, you are working for the customers, but are they happy or not with your services? And then we took it with the management, right from the CEO to other HODs to our MDs and all. So nowadays everyone is aware that what is the importance of NPS for our organization, how important it is for us to making it a successful parameter. And now it is a part of KPI of all the stakeholders, all the HODs, all the teams. At the end of the day, it is not only customer experience who is responsible for delivering a good NPS, but entire DMI.
What really helped us during this program is, I should say, is that the continuous learning curve. For example, we analyzed the data and we observed that we are not getting high response percentage, which we should get as we are doing the survey. So we introduce vernacular language. We introduce our survey in Hindi language for the benefit of our customers, so that they can understand it in a better way and they can share more precise and more correct rating. And it actually worked for us. Our response percentage have really improved post introducing this particular change, I should say.
We have integrated the entire customer journey with this platform, right from the time of onboarding a customer to the end point, till the time he is, I should say, deboarded for that particular transaction. How we manage our passive and detractors is, it's a complete service recovery module, I should say, what we have designed with. So what we do is that once a ticket is generated in the platform as a detractor or passive, then we make a call to the customer and try to understand the actual pain point of the customer. Then not only we do a two-way approach, I should say. We try to solve the issue of that particular customer, that why he was not having a pleasant experience with our brand, or what was the pain area. We resolve that particular case then and there, or in minimum possible time if any backend support is required or so. And then we take it as a learning to improve our process also. As you know that we are not into direct customer approach, and our partners are actually helping us in acquiring customers or building our business. So this helped us when we see the customer data with a cut of partners, that where are we getting an incremental business because of customer experience, where the customers are happy with the experience they had while interacting with the partners. We were measuring our NPS of our contact center also, the experience customer is having after interacting with our agent. And we were able to identify some of the improvement areas through which we design our training modules also. We trained our agents on those particular lines, and that is the reason we are now able to improve on contact center experience also. So one thing which I really appreciate about Litmus World is that even after having experience and working with the diversity of different business models, different industries, FMCG and all kind of industries, team is still open for suggestions, and it's not a one-way communication only, that if client is saying that you have to do it. No, we go into a discussion mode, we learn from your learnings, we take advantage of that, and similarly it's a very open kind of a learning experience for both the parties, Litmus World as well as for DMI. So this is what actually helped us in growing our platform and redesigning our programs and a lot of other stuff also.